Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're reviewing what might just be the best eyebrow piercing barbell curved jewelry on the market, the Oufksiyy Eyebrow Piercing Jewelry Set. This isn't just a bold claim. Once you see the features, the materials, and the versatility, you'll understand why this product stands out in a saturated space of body jewelry options. Let's start with what you get when you order this set. Inside a velvet bag. Yes, a velvet bag for a nice premium touch. You'll find a total of 11 pieces of body-piercing jewelry. Specifically, you get 3 sparkling plus cubic zirconia eyebrow barbells, 4 round piercing balls, and 4 conical piercing spikes. This gives you not only variety but also flexibility and styling, whether you're going for a subtle everyday look or something a little more edgy. The gauge size here is 16G, which equals 1.2 mm in thickness. That's a standard and comfortable size for most eyebrow piercings, and it also fits well in other placements like the rook, lip, or even the belly button. What's great is that this set includes 3 different bar lengths, 6 mm, 8 mm, and 10 mm, giving you the freedom to pick the right fit for your anatomy or piercing depth. And the zirconia balls, just 3 mm in size, are small enough to be minimalist but still catch the light in a noticeable way. Now let's talk about the material, surgical stainless steel. This isn't your average metal. It's hypoallergenic, corrosion-resistant, and extremely durable. This means it's great for sensitive skin and ideal for long-term wear. Oufksiyy has focused on quality here, making sure that style doesn't come at the cost of safety. The internal threading on these barbells is also a plus. It's much gentler on fresh piercings and reduces the risk of irritation when inserting or removing the jewelry. One of the most impressive aspects of this product is its multifunctionality. You're not just getting eyebrow jewelry. These pieces can be used as vertical labre lip rings, rook earrings, small belly button rings, anti-eyebrow piercings, surface tragus jewelry, and even VCH and hood piercings. It's an all-in-one package for anyone who loves to experiment with multiple types of piercings or who wants to switch things up frequently without needing to buy individual pieces for every piercing. Visually, the pieces look clean and minimal, with a polished silver tone finish that complements almost any skin tone or style. Whether you're dressing up for an event or just rocking your everyday look, this set won't disappoint. And because you're getting multiple designs in one set, it's a great deal both aesthetically and financially. In conclusion, if you're someone who values comfort, style, and quality in your body jewelry, and you want versatility from a single purchase, the Oufksiyy Eyebrow Piercing Jewelry Set delivers all of that and more. It's sleek, safe, and stunning, which is exactly why we're calling it the best eyebrow piercing barbell curved jewelry you can get right now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews. See you in the next one.